Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkai.
Hello, Sage here. Thanks so much for joining me on Kalkai TV. Great to have you with us for the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. And today we're going to look at some of the ASX listed stocks that have made the news because of their recent announcements. Beginning with Australia's largest horticultural company, Costa Group, they've today announced that its CEO and Managing Director, Sean Hallahan, will step down with effect from September 26th and will support the transition plan to an interim CEO for a short handover period anticipated to conclude in mid-October of 2022. The company has appointed Harry Debney as interim CEO effective September 26th, and Harry has been a non-executive director of the company since July of 2021, prior to which he was Costa's CEO from 2010 to April 2021 and led the company through the IPO back in 2015. So plenty of experience already there with Costa. Today in the first session, Costa Group's shares traded at $2.30. They were down by 9.45%. Big move. Next, specialty retailer of youth casual apparel Universal Store today announced that it has entered into a binding agreement to acquire 100% of Cheap Thrills Cycles for a cool sum of $50 million. Thrills is a designer, wholesaler and retailer of casual youth fashion apparel. The consideration will consist of $17.5 million in cash, $17.5 million in Universal Store shares, and a notional amount of $15 million in deferred variable consideration. The transaction is expected to complete in Q4 of the financial year 2022, subject to the satisfaction of certain conditions precedent. And on Monday, Universal Stores shares traded at $4.77. They're up this morning by 2.14%. Moving right along, Australia-based technology solutions provider Link Administration. They've announced that it's determined to pay a fully franked special dividend of 8 cents per Link Group share. This is in addition to the half-year dividend of 3 cents per share, which was paid in April 2022. Seems like just yesterday, doesn't it? The half-year dividend and special dividend of 11 cents per share compares to the 2021 financial year dividend of 10 cents per share, partially franked at 60%. The record date for the special dividend will be September 30th, approaching very soon with a payment date of October 14th. And earlier on last Friday, the court dismissed the proposed acquisition of Link by Dye & Durham by way of a scheme of arrangement. Today, Link Administration shares traded at $3.11, being down by 6.04%. Next up for you, we've got Australian multinational healthcare provider Ramsay Health Care and the consortium of financial investors led by KKR have mutually agreed to terminate discussions regarding a non-binding indicative takeover proposal. Ramsay and its financial advisors had engaged with the consortium and its financial advisors to understand whether the consortium is able to put forward a new proposal that would provide appropriate value for shareholders and be able to be implemented in a reasonable time frame. The company said that the consortium had been unable to provide a new offer at this time. On September 13th, Ramsay Health Care informed the market on receiving correspondence, KKR, regarding its conditional non-binding indicative proposal to acquire 100% of the shares in Ramsay. And today in the opening session, Ramsay Health Care shares traded at $56.78. They're down by 6.20%. Hopefully you're getting most of this information. If not, please check it out later today on Kalkai Media's YouTube channel. And lastly, Australian gaming, entertainment and hospitality provider The Star Entertainment Group today announced that Jeff Hogg has resigned as acting chief executive officer and from all other positions in the company. The company said that the board has accepted his resignation and said that Hogg's final departure date is yet to be determined. Star said that in the meantime, Hogg will work with the board to transition his executive responsibilities in an orderly manner. Mr. Ben Heap will assume the role of Executive Chairman on an interim basis, effective immediately and until the commencement of Robbie Cook as the incoming Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. Today, Star Entertainment's shares traded at $2.63, down by 2.59%. Thanks for joining us. Now, that was only 5 of a plethora of ASX announcements, so do check out the rest of them if you feel so inclined at the ASX website. They come out all through the day. But that's all for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day, and another episode will be coming your way. Until then, do keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm Sage, signing off for now.